In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy GitHub projects on Vercel. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to github.com, make sure you're logged into an account. Also go to vercel.com and make sure you're logged in into an account. If you don't have an account, any option, you can simply just go and create an account. For example, this one. And here I'm working on personal projects. I'm just going to name myself here as example. Why not? Click on continue. And basically, I'm just going to create an account on Vercel using a GitHub account because this will make it easier. So click on authorize. And here we are. So let's just go and create an account. Now, so in here's an example, you'll be able to install the GitHub application for the account that you wish to import from to continue. Which means you can simply just go and click on install in here. And this should take you to the install. And here you can see install Vercel. So where do you want to install Vercel? So I'm just going to click on my account and you can install it on all the repositories if you want to deploy them all or add them all to Vercel. If you want to select just few repositories, you can go here and click on only select this repositories and here you can select those. So as example, I'm just going to use this one and this one as well. And here I'm just going to click on install and that should be good to go. So of course here I'm just going to find this and I'm going to click on port and deploy. You can change the name of course if you want to. And as you can see, you'll have to wait until deployed. So build logs, deployment summary and stuff. So continue to dashboard and you'll find your projects already. Of course, in here, you can always go back to the repositories and you'll be able to see them from your GitHub. You can go to deployments here and from here, an example, you'll be able to see the deployed projects. You can go to the three dots at the top right corner, click on create a new deployment. And here, an example, you should find yourself an example to this project, but let's say you want to deploy something else, not the same project. So of course, I'm just going to click on cancel. And then I'm going to the top left corner, click on Omics projects. And here's example, I can click on add new projects and simply can import something new. If those two are not what you want, you can go and adjust the GitHub as example permissions. If you're missing something, you can go again, click here on configure and simply choose more repositories. If you want them all, just go and click on all in here, click on save. And you should find all the repositories here. So you can import then whatever you want. So let's say example this one. And yeah, you can do the same, deploy, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.